Uber and FNB, I don't know which one between the two. Between last week and this week, I'm sure 2.5 went outside my account. Body 100 and mamang, 200 and mamang, mabano split 300 and mamang debate. The other time, guys, so debits keep going out. And add DI, capital letter DI, then Uber Eats or Uber, like that. Capital letter add DI Uber or add DI Uber Eats. That thing keeps taking money outside my bank account. Guys, please tell me, what is it? Is it Uber? Is it FNB? What must I do? Counter heart attack.
Shafiruze, hope ni grand, lapha emakhaya, Espanini, la nikhona, yangithola. But otherwise, I'm not here to be long. I just came here to create awareness, yangithola. I just got scammed close to 20,000 a few days ago through Uber Eats, yangithola. And the reason why I'm making this video about it is because of when I went to report it, I got told who have reported about this, who went through the same thing. And some of my friends told me that they went through the similar thing, or the same thing even. So I feel like it's not right for us to keep quiet, especially if like we have a platform where we can like create awareness about such things. So I didn't want to keep quiet about it. I just wanted to put it out there that people need to be aware. And I wanted to just call out on Uber Eats and just ask them, like, are they aware of what's happening through their app? Because people are scamming people, like people are creating fraud. Someone else losing close to 20,000 would have messed them up a little bit harder. So we don't want it to get to that point. So that's why I'm just making this video. And I wanted to if you have your actual card on your apps, like on your Uber or on whatever app you have that's online, don't use the actual card. Use a virtual card, because the actual card, the CVV number doesn't change. But on the virtual card changes, I think every after 30 minutes. I don't know, but they told me that it changes. So yeah, that's another thing I wanted to say. And also on Uber Eats, Chukamba, like, are you guys aware or not? And if you are, like, do something, create an awareness, say something to the people, because yeah, this may cause a lot of damage. But yeah, I just wanted to gunjela riding. Otherwise, again, I just wanted to tell you guys this. Wouldn't have said it if it was something that I felt is small, but because I'm saying it, I felt like it could cause a little bit of damage to other people's lives. So yeah, that's why I'm making this video. Otherwise,
ladies and gents, just a quick one. I just want to find out from those who are using Uber Eats app and they've loaded their cards, they've linked their cards for payments. How are you finding it? I am having a very bad experience. Back in 2024, I had that, and I was constantly getting unauthorized debits from Uber Eats, and I had to stop my card. I had to block everything and delete the app, because I was fed up with trying to get the refund, and the amount was like 2,300. But they don't take it all at once. They kept on debiting until it amounted to that. So it was different transactions. And then I traveled to Joburg, and at some stage I was compelled to upload the Uber Eats, the Uber, just the Uber. So now I had to link again for payments. But then now my experience is they're starting with their nonsense again. They're debiting from my card and unauthorized debits, but now they've shrunk the amounts into small amounts, but frequently they are amounting to something. Do you guys experience that, or it's just me? because I had to block again, and I've been using Uber a lot because I was out of Bloom, and so I just want to find out, how are you guys finding this app? Because in G, hi, it's tiring.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Lesi scam lesendakalako laphana ku-Uber Eats lana kudidathwa khona timali tebantu abangadibani kokuthi timali tiyaphi batididakuthelani babe bangakathengi. So bayakhala abantu abaningi kakhulu. Sengibonile lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana people are complaining nge-Uber Eats ukuthi hayibo Uber Eats nangu asiqola. Oh, this is Promise Makonyane and uThose siyabona nabo bayakhala. Uyasho nje uThose ukuthi yena uze wadonsela 20,000 kuthiwa le mali nje bayidonsa kancane 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 kube ngazuthi uthenge something ubunga kathengi lutho. And baningi badebuta ukuthi kwente kanjani lokho because bekungamele badonsa imali ungakathengi. Idonswa iyaphi le mali ubungaka odi lutho kuleya app. Some people are saying ukuthi abantu abakhansele lama-app or bayawa-delete bayawa-deactivate something like that. And some are saying ukuthi bangene kuma-bank apps abo bafake limit online limit bayifake ibe ku-0 in that way ngeke baze bakhone kuyidonsa imali. Guys, it's so sad kokuthi uthi uyavuka nje uthole kukhishwa imali inqumbi kulokhu kuphuma imali bayadebitha ube wati kahle ukuthi you didn't buy anything. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.